Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you will create Message to Asia AI chat account 30 days free trial without any credit card information. First of all, you need to visit Message to Asia website, then fill in the registration form. After that, verify email address, then I will log in the AI account. Let's get started. Now we're going to Google Chrome browser and visit these websites. Then click Get Start button. After click Get Start button, you see this registration form. You see there is a workspace name. Now I type my workspace name here. And your name, you will type your name, and email address, you will type your email address, and you will type your password here. You see there is a icon that told us password must be at least 8 characters and contain at least one number, at least one uppercase and lowercase letter, contain at least one symbol. Mainly it's provide a instruction to provide the account password for stronger, not use here weak password. If you not understand or think how will generate a strong password, you can go to part generator. You see this is a random parts generator website. You click here. Then you see these windows. Here is automatically generated strong password. It's you see here is very strong. You copy this password from here, okay, and paste it here, and also here. You save this password on your notebook. And click register button. You see there is one symbol. The password must be contain at least one symbol. Need to provide one symbol in this password. Going to the password and I provided one symbol. The sign is hash. Now I again copy this and go to the browser and paste it. Again paste it. Then click register. After registration, you see a message verify your email address. Now you going to your email address and check your message. Wow, I get a verification message from Message to Asia websites. Now I click this, click here, and I see here one verification email address button. I click here. Wow, my account creation successfully done.